Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Trump tariffs propel safe haven gold to record highs. Gold surges to fresh record. Gold surges past 2930 per ounce on Tuesday, hitting a new record high driven by strong safe haven demand amid countering trade tensions and economic uncertainty. So my dear friends, probably you have seen in the morning that gold has made a high of 2940 and right now standing around 2920, and this was the main reason I was requesting all of you yesterday to follow the trend of the market, because we have seen the higher time frame like the weekly and daily, and obviously a retracement correction is very important right now, a due, but nobody knows from where and when the retracement or the correction will come. So if you take a sell right now hoping for a reversal, then that is a very foolish decision. You'll be gambling with your hard-earned money. For example, during the US session, if there is a sudden trend reversal or if you see there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, then you can go for it. But without any proper confirmation, if you just take a sell hoping for a reversal, then that is a bad decision, because as I always mention, my dear friends, hope is not a trading strategy. So right now we can see that there is no sign of retracement or correction. So following the trend of the market is the only option for us. And obviously market is trading at a very dangerous zone right now, so we need to be extremely careful. Do not go for big lot sizes, do not take high risk, because when market will go for correction, that correction can be huge. Okay, so the selling pressure may be very high, but no sign of correction yet, so follow the trend of the market as of now. And if you are holding buy as a positional trader, swing trader, continue with your buy position with your stop loss below 2900. Yesterday I said that you can continue buy with your stop loss below 2850. Today new high, so you can continue your buy position if you have any, but with your stop loss should be below 2900. You need to trail your stop loss. And if you're a positional trader and looking for a fresh position, then obviously this is not the ideal time at all. You need to wait for proper correction. Maybe it will come after a week, maybe it will come after 10 days, nobody knows. But yes, if you take a position right now, then you will be going for a very bad deal. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader looking for a good trade, this is not the ideal time. Okay, and whatever we have on the chart right now are strictly for day traders only. That's it. Today we also have the testimony of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. I don't know how much volatility it will bring, but tomorrow is an important day because tomorrow we have CPI. You must be knowing, my friends, CPI is an important event. Already the NFP has betrayed us because we did not get any proper move after NFP. Hopefully we will get a direction um, after CPI. And usually before the major event like NFP, CPI market doesn't move much, but this market is different. We can see a lot of movement, a lot of volatility. So um, our previous theory of expecting the market to stay in a range should not work right now. Okay, anyways, as we were discussing that in this market condition, if you are looking for position in the market, then you should be looking for buy only, because the trend of the market is up. When the market will reverse, then we can go for a sell, but as of now, this is the current condition. So respecting the ongoing market sentiment and whatever we have on the chart right now, it's better to look for buy at retracement only. If market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for buy at breakout, but buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to buying at retracement. Okay, so we can see already market has already bounced around 2910 area. What? Market has already bounced around 2910 area. So if market comes down again, I don't think so 2910 will be working as support again. So price action have been doing a fantastic job so far, we have seen. So during the day, if market comes down, on the chart of gold, we have the best buy around 2880. Around 2880, 83, we have the best support right now on the chart of gold. So if we get a chance to buy around 288083 area, because the previous resistance will be working as support, plus we can see we also have the dynamic support around this area from the 100 moving average, we can look for a buy position 288083. And right now this seems to be the best support. If you see market taking support, then only buy. For example, during the US session, market surprised us with heavy selling pressure, then obviously you need to follow that trend, not this. Okay, we need to be flexible, do not forget. But during the day, especially before the US session, if market comes down and you see that there is not much volume in the market, there is not much volatility, in that case you can also look for a buy around 2898. Okay, you can also look for a buy around 2898 to 2899 already. Okay, I have told you many times that around round numbers we see psychological support, so you can consider that this is also kind of a psychological support around 2898, 2899 or 2900 round number. Okay, why we're considering to this particular level here? Because market has shown price rejection from below around this area, so we can expect that if market comes down with not much volume or selling pressure, then this level also should provide support to the market. As a day trader, we can look for a 60 to 70 pips target. So on the chart of gold right now, we have two support levels for as a day trader around 288082 area, which is a good one, and we have a minor support around 2898 2900 area, which is a little bit weaker. But if you see the volume is not much high, we can look for buy around these two, around this particular level as well. In comparison, 288082 is a better level to buy. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, because on the chart of gold we have seen many times that gold is so bullish, so adamant, it doesn't come for retracement. If that happens, obviously we can buy at breakout. Buy at breakout means we can look for buy above 2945. Obviously buying above 2945 is not very safe, because already market is standing at the top right now, but still we can't help it. So if market breaks it, we can go for buy above 2945, but it's risky. If you don't want to take risk, then what we can do is after the breakout, when market will come down again, because okay, the previous resistance will be the new support, then you can enter. If you do not want to take risk buying at breakout, because buying at breakout, especially during the European session and Asian session, is risky sometimes because of low volume, and for any breakout, volume is extremely important, crucial. So we can look for buy above 2945, and right now it is clearly seen on the chart that 3000 is the target. Okay, can't believe but yes, it is what it is. So 3000 is the target. So if market breaks 2945, 2950, obviously gold will be heading towards 3000 level. Okay, that's uh no words, I'm speechless. Okay, and that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and please be careful. Market is bullish, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. If the trend changes suddenly, okay, you can go for a sell position. Do not sit on a sell position for next few days as a day trader only. So market is trading in a very fragile zone right now. Okay, bye bye.